Villajera.
Going to the Uma.
Relihera.
Kani baga mamilit sa iyo pagkikadiro.
Kaliwat kanan.
Kaliwat kanan.
4 pag kilo lang. Pero kung napakisay kami kain.
Sinaida.
Big man, pinagtulungan kita.
Di man sibag.
Masinta kami Dosen niya Marian, Marian.
Maranyo.
Asan naman dito sa baka ka?
Kaya mo ka na tita Ame?
Di na, magagi ako.
Sindata lang puputi.
Itong gagi ka man.
Dahil gusto ko yung design mo.
Kado. Nakabay ka din, man. Mamimiss naman ko niya kung ambog. It's a joke.
Ay, wow. Look at this. We're walking to that chapel. I don't want to be in the car. That's Kuya Nong Nong. Where's the car? Oh, there's the car. My mom and Ate Katkat are in the car, while me and Tita Amy are walking.
Bibingo na kita.
There's the car. Bye. Uy.
Baba na.
The sun is shining bright like a diamond tonight. Entering the chapel.
Pangapod ka pag na Mapresko hindi. Our Lady of Salvation katong si Tari si Mama Mary. San Roque kanina ka brown.
Pagking ko, tabingin sa...
Wala, kumisang mo din eh.
Ayo. Ang dami yan. Neither play.
Ay, may bayo pa yung ayaw ng pe. Bayo. Naku naman.
Visiting the chapel on our own. We ordered from Kuyang's takeout for today's lunch because she's here and she's about to leave.
About to go back. About
Going
to go back
to Singapore.
Singapore.
Her flight's at 4 a.m.